Hey guys, if you run your Powermac G5s with the side off like I do, you appreciate the engineering that is inside one of these guys, but you want to add some light to it, then you need one of these guys. Now this is a Fantec Spectrum fan card, and this one is in blue. It's blue LED, PCI slot card, and it is bright and blue and lights up the side of these guys. The insides of these guys rather, makes them look awesome. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out there. These are new old stock. I don't think they've made these since like 2005, but they are still out there. You can find them. I found this one, it was like 16 bucks, a little more than I wanted to pay, but hey, that's not that bad, truthfully. Hey guys, I did successfully route the Spectrum fan card, get that installed. Now the one caveat that takes a little bit of planning is you got to power it. It is between 7 and 12, it will pull between 7 and 12 volts of power. So I opted to route power from the 12 volt mount, the 12 volt rail for the DVD drive motor. There's actually a 5 volt rail for the logic on the DVD drive, and then 12 volts to drive the motor itself. I am plugged into the 12 volt rail. I grabbed one of my a Molex Y, and it routed the power. Actually, it's tucked up here. You can see it sticking in there, and then down, you can hanging down there, and then the power from this guy connected directly to it. So that's how I did it. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Oh, there we go. Get it plugged in, and I'll turn it on, fire it up so you can see what it looks like. Yeah, I think it looks pretty awesome, guys. Now, I did want to, full disclosure, the light that you see in the front here is a pre-existing blue, light blue cathode. Well, it's emulating blue cathode color, but it's an LED strip that I installed and just kind of plugged in there with some double-sided tape. I think it's a great accompaniment to the Spectrum fan card. It looks pretty awesome, don't you think? I do. I am a fan of this sort of stuff, and like I said, I really appreciate and enjoy the engineering inside these Powermac G5s, just how much thought went into the design of them, and I love looking at it, man. It's great. Anyhow, I appreciate you guys. Hope y'all are doing well. And if you too like RGB in your Powermac G5s, you like to run these sideless just with the air baffle inside, try to hunt yourself down a Spectrum fan card. And you can plug that bad boy in there, and it's just beautiful looking. Appreciate you guys. Bye.